Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of the quarantine. Woohoo! Happy Tuesday. I thought you guys might like to see some examples of how to do your homework. So yesterday I did a video with the dot plots, the creating dot plots. I think today I'm going to go through each one of these and do a few problems just to help out those of you guys who are having some trouble. So let's go into the reading dot plots and frequency tables. And I'll just do a few problems for you and hope that it helps. So let's see what you guys see. There you go. Okay, so this is a dot plot. I could tell because it has a bunch of dots on it. Sometimes they're X's. No big deal. It says the following dot plot shows the height of each toddler at Miss Cabrera's daycare. Each dot represents a different toddler. So a toddler is just a very young child, so small child. Okay, question. What is the most frequent height of a toddler? What is the most frequent height of a toddler? And most frequent is going to mean the one that happens the most times. So the most frequency is how often something happens. So this is the most frequent. Okay, so we're looking for then the tallest stack of dots here. So notice here 84 has the most dots, it's the tallest. And so our answer then is going to be 84 centimeters. The most frequent height is 84 centimeters. All right, let's check, make sure I didn't mess that up. Hey, good job, me. Okay, here's another one. This is for a frequency table. So notice this is a frequency table. It says the following frequency table shows the number of hours of sleep that each of the staff members at Tia's toy store got on Thanksgiving night. Okay, so this is the number of hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, and then the number of people, the number of employees that got that many hours of sleep. So one employee got 3 hours of sleep and nobody got 4 hours. 4 different people, each got 5 hours of sleep. 2 people got 6 hours of sleep. 1 person got 7, and 1 person had 8 hours of sleep. So how many employees work at Tia's toy store? So how many employees? So we're looking for a total here. Got it? A total, because it says how many employees. So this is the number of employees. I'm going to add up all of the employees. So I'm going to do 1. Do we have a calculator here? Calculator? There's no calculator, so I just have to add it up in my head. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I think it's 9 employees, and there's no calculator, so I'm going to check it. So 1 plus 0 is just 1, plus 4 is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Sounds good. Check it. Yay. All right, here's another dot plot. The following dot plot shows the height of each toddler. Oh, at Miss Cabrera's daycare again. Okay, so it's the same graph from the first problem. Each dot represents a different toddler. All right, so it's the same graph. Let's see what kind of question they asked this time. How many toddlers are in Miss Cabrera's daycare? Oh, so this is a total too. So it says how many toddlers. That's the total number. So I'm going to have to count each one of these dots because each dot is 1 toddler. So that's going to be hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Looks like there's 15 total, but I'm going to check just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, cool. So that's 15 total. So let's check it. Yay, good job. Another one. Says the following frequency table shows the number of cavities of each of Dr. Freeze's patients had. Okay, so this is the number of cavities, and this is how many of people had that many cavities. So it says 13 people had 0 cavities, and 7 people had 1 cavity. 2 different people had 2 cavities, 5 people had 3 cavities, and 2 people had 4 cavities. These guys need to brush their teeth better. All right, what's the fewest number of cavities that a patient had? So think about that. What's the fewest number of cavities that a patient had? So we're looking at the number of cavities. So that's this column here, number of cavities. And we want to know what's the fewest. That means smallest, right? Least number. So it looks like 0 cavities is going to be our answer here. So we're going to check that. Yay, good job. And my summary, of course, I got a 100, and so will you. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll post a couple more videos today for the other topics.